Hello, in this video, I'm going to create an instance, which is also called like a virtual machine, right? So I'll just come to compute and then I'll click on instances, and then I'll click on create instance. So just give it an appropriate name. In this case, I'm going to call it a web server, right? So web server. So since this is a compute instance, I'm going to change the compartment to resources compute. So this compartment, I already created it previously. Then, so I'm going to leave this the free eligible, you know. Then for the image and shape, I'm going to edit this. I'm going to change the image to Oracle Linux. This one, I'm going to change it to this particular one, 7.9. And let me see. So I'm going to select that image. And I'm going to use this free, always free eligible, this particular shape, right? So for the primary VNIC information, like the networking stuff, I'm going to resources, I'm going to use the, oh, okay, you already selected it for me. That's cool. So the VCN, so I already created a virtual cloud network, because for you to provision an instance, you need to have a network, right? You need to have a network already provisioned. So a virtual cloud network, and also in this case, I already also provisioned a subnet, right? I also provisioned a subnet, so it already selected that for me. So let me see. So I can also create an SSH key to be able to connect remotely to the instance once it's created. Save private key. So just maybe call the name web server. Let me just say web 01, since I already have a web server dot key. I'll save it here. Okay. And I'm going to leave this other configuration the way it is. It's going to it's going to come automatically with a boot volume, right? Which is kind of like a storage, right, for your, more related to the operating system, So I'm going to create. So it's provisioning. So once it's done, we are going to go to the storage and we are going to see the boot volume that was provisioned. So yeah, so here is the virtual machine, and look at the information, right? The information. So let's just quickly go to storage, and then if I click on block volume, so if I click on boot volumes, I think I'm in the wrong compartments. So let me change it to, if I come down here to compute, resource compute. Okay, you see, this is the boot volume for the one I just created, right? Web server, right? This is the boot volume for that one. So that's just it, right? So that's just it. That's just how to create a compute, an instance, right? I hope this helps.